So today we are doing a maintenance day, and we're gonna change the oil, change oil filters, change the fuel filters, do all that kind of stuff. And that guy right there, his name is Rod Nestor. He's here in Colorado. He's got Nestor Trucking, and he is gonna help me do this and gonna hopefully kind of show me how to do it. But the more I'm seeing him do it, the more I'm realizing I'm probably not gonna be able to do it. So, but I thought we'd take you in. Here's what I noticed is that there are no maintenance videos on YouTube for our coach, which is a 2004 Tsunami. And so I thought maybe somebody else might have a Tsunami or have the same Cummins motor and might need some tips on how to do it. The one thing that we're already facing that might be an issue we can't figure out yet is we have an air filter that is turned towards the firewall, and by first glance it looks like the only way to get to it is through the back bedroom, through the bed, which is on a slider, which is in locks, and I have zero idea how to get it off. And guess what? No YouTube channel information on it, so therefore it's just gonna be a hassle. But whatever I learned today, you'll learn today. Have a good day. So on this Onan 8000 quiet diesel, everything is accessible from the bottom. So right up the front, you're going to find your air filter held on with, it's a black box held on with a wing nut. Sits right up front. Right in the middle, you'll see your oil drain. Right next to your drain, you'll see like a compartment with two little pull tabs in, and that's your oil filter.
Thing is broke.
Okay.
So it's got to be loud.
Yeah, it sounds a little. I just thought that's what they sound like.
Okay, let me see if I can.
Had a little bit of an exhaust leak, and this was torn in half, so we got a new one. But you have to make sure you get the right one because you can see this one's beveled. So it's all good to go now. So what we're seeing is that the air filter canister is not able to be accessed, probably unless you take the whole canister out, which means we have to remove the bed and the frame of the bed. And I tried to do that, and I couldn't even move it. It doesn't even move. So obviously some engineer designed this so that it could never be serviced correctly. If you're watching this video and you know how to do it, let me know, because we're just gonna have to button it back up and do nothing. So we're just gonna change the oil filter and the fuel filters and change the oil. And we cannot access that air filter at all. I told him it's probably a forever filter.
Heck, is that not coming out of there?
Wow. Looks like some pretty dirty oil.
Yeah,
It's always gonna look like that.
yeah,
huh?
unless you just have changed it and just
Right.
started it and then
Right.
shut it right back down. But after 1,000 miles, it's gonna be
Dirty.
Jesus Christ. Somebody had that plenty tight.
That's the fuel filter, right?
Yep, one of them.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, so far. Yeah, there's no water in it, but. I might drop this, so
All right.
if I yell, you might. Okay, coming in. Can you see it?
Oh yeah.
Clear down in there.
Oh yeah.
So let's.
Nasty.
Yeah, look at that,
A
man.
lot of sludge. Oh, nice. Slimed.
Yeah. Bet you're gonna run a little better.
Yeah. Parts. Napa.
You just can't. This is a seal, and it can't be dry. You gotta have a little lube on it when it spins up on that motor. No. This land.
She puts one on the out in the garage where I got the beer stash.
So you don't have to do your oil filters, but you got to do your fuel filters.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Well,
yeah. Otherwise, it restart.
I've worked here for 2 years. That old man lives in here, drinks all night and peels off all the labels.